What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, and welcome to this video about Lever Finance. Quick little update was requested, so obviously then I'll do it. So let's get right into it. We'll do a quick technical analysis. I'll tell you everything you need to know, but apart from that, we'll also take a look at the fundamentals. I mean, obviously, from Friday to Saturday, we had some big fundamental moves. Basically just big bearish moves throughout the entire crypto market. I talked about why that happened in other videos. I don't feel like it's valuable to go over all of that again. But for Lever, it was pretty big drop because we were already inflated in the price, and we said that a couple of times already. It was probably a little bit manipulated as well. Lever had some good fundamentals, which I will definitely show you. They had a nice competition going on where you could win $60,000 by trading on Lever Finance, because they released their app not too long ago. So that's amazing. That means that the Lever token also becomes like the value also increases, because a part of the fees while trading accrues to Lever stakers. So that increases the intrinsic value of the Lever token. But apart from that, I mean, moves like these, it still looks manipulated, and we were already manipulated as well earlier. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, for now, as I said, we had that big fundamental drop, caused us to drop down all the way to this 2300, 2500 level, which I'm not sure how I will call that, because in real life it's like 0.25 cents. 0.23 cents. I think I'll just say it like that. I think that's better, and that's more factual. So we dropped down there, what you can see. Then we took a break retest off of this level right here at the 382 fib and around that 0.3 cents level, which is now our main resistance level. So we dropped down, found support, got back up there, also found support at that entire level, right? So the entire level ranges from 3200 to 3000, or excuse me, 0.32 cents and 0.3 cents. Found resistance there. Now took a break retest off of 0.27 cents, which is the upper bound of this big key area between 0.24 and 0.27 cents, which is the level we dropped down to. It's maybe a little bit difficult technically, but let's get into what I think is going to happen now. So we found support there. We're going to test this level again. The main thing we want to do and what we want to see, and there's a chance that will happen, but I'm not 100% sure. I'd say the chance of it happening is like 30%. If we can actually break above 0.3 cents and then find support there, then I think we actually have a chance of getting another leg up, another rally to like 0.4, 0.42 cents. But if that happens, I'll make a quick update on that. I don't see that happening today. Then it would be somewhere like tomorrow. So if that happens, I'll make another update on that. But the most important thing is breaking above 0.3 cents and really getting that break retest. So confirming it so that it's not a fake out. Because I think it's a little bit more likely, given the fundamentals in the market and the circumstances overall, that we will get there. We might actually break above 0.3 cents, but that we will not hold it. And that is just a matter of time before we drop down to 0.24 cents, find some support there, and then unless we get bullish fundamentals from Lever, we'll also drop back down to 0.2 cents, which is a stronger support, and I think that's going to hold, but that's still quite a substantial drop. Right, so I think this is, given the entire market circumstances and also the nature of the moves around Lever Finance, it being manipulated, in other words, I think this is more likely. You should expect this. So that's my take on Lever for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But for now, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care and bye.